Hey there, welcome to the world of Python. Today we are talking about a superpower word in coding, return. Thinking of a function in Python like a robot you built. Sometimes you tell a robot to do something like throw a trash, and it just does it. But sometimes you send a robot to go and get something for you. That is where return comes in. So let's use a juice maker robot. To talk about the intuition, imagine you have a cool kitchen robot without a return. You give the robot an orange. It squeezes the orange and drinks the juice itself and says, I'm done. You are left standing there thirsty. With return, you give the robot an orange. It squeezes the orange and hands the glass of juice back to you. So let's look at how the video games use return all the time to pass information around. Imagine your character steps on a magic multiplier box. Imagine your character steps on a magic multiplier block that doubles your coins. So how to define a function? We have a keyword def, function name, meaningful, double coins. The input is the current coins. Then the new total would be the current coins multiplied by 2 because we double the current coins. Then we need to return the new total. So then how to call this function? So we look at the function, we have the input. So you start with 5 coins. Then you call the function double coins have the input my coins. Then you print the result. Now my total coins are coins. So we initially have 5 coins, then we call the function double coins. Then the function multiply 5 by 2 and then return the new result. So the coins now is the 10. So let's talk about the 3 golden rules. rules of return. First, it is a giver. Return gives a value back to whoever called the function. So the return, this value will give back to the new value to the current, because the current equals double coins called this function. So the new value will be given to the left side variable coins. The second rule, it is an escape button. What does that mean? As soon as a function hits a return line, it stops. It stops immediately. Any code after the return inside that function is ignored. What does that mean? So let's add something. Here we add a print. Am I ignored? So let's run the program. You see, there is no print. There is no print am I ignored, because after the function hits the return line, it stops immediately. This line of code will not be executed. So the third is it is optional. If a function does not have a return, it actually secretly return 9, which means nothing. So that's the end of class. Thank you.